Hello you guys, thank you for stopping by. Today we'll be installing a closure lace front wig, and now this is my hair collection. I do have quite a few, but I do need more. So now I'll just be trying to find some oil and a leave-in conditioner to moisturize my mills that we have underneath this bonnet. And yeah, so today I chose the wild growth oil, and I chose the As I Am leave-in conditioner. And yeah.
How can us lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't
Oil that scalp.
without you. I can't just lose and miss the moment. You just.
So right here we are adding 3 layers of glue. If you plan on having the wig on for more than 5 days or a week, I say add 3 layers of glue.
I play sex from you, I'm not violent, I'm your day one. We had shit, yeah.
And now it's time to melt your lace. I'm using the Gopi melting spray. It gets me right every single time. So before I recorded again, I took out my edges. I love doing side edges, like those 2 right there. It just gets me right every single time. And now we're about to melt that lace. I banned it for like an hour. And now I'm looking at myself because I'm like, what are you going to do with this hair of yours? So then I'm like, ah, shit, let's just forget about the hair. Let's cut these edges because I can't see a damn thing. And now it's time to mold your hair in place so we can use the hot comb. I'm using the Gopi melting, I'm using the Gopi wax stick. Yes, girl, you better mold that hair. You better mold it.
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. You do.
And right here we're doing our edges. So for the edges, I like to use a 1-inch flat iron just to curl them and get them nice swoop edges. Yes. And then how I do my edges, I add the melting spray that we did previously. I add a little bit of that on the top of the edges, and I just swoop.
Look at her. Look at her mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa.
I realized the half down looked so ugly. I said, no way, Jose. But then I just started to clip my hair up. I said, ooh, this is tea. So then that's when I'm like, okay, yeah, we are doing this hairstyle, and you will see the turnout after this.
That fine for you. I do that 3-4 times and can I testify for you? I told I like you, that bitch, I do it all and I'm around, you scared to do it. I'm not, as long as you joking now in for me, I ain't got it. I've been skimming, looting,
Hair looks so good, but now I will be mixing in 2 color foundations. I'll use dark, and I think it's caramel or cocoa, something like that, and I just apply it to the lace. And then after that, I add the melting spray one more time because this is the final melt.
Lose and miss the moment. You just too important. Nobody like you do.
And yes, this is how it turned out. Thank you so much for watching. Please come back and subscribe.